Engineering is a unique field rooted in understanding the interconnectedness between all things and how to build from them. To give students a taste of what it feels like, each year TeamUP Science hosts a unique workshop with various events centered around teamwork, building, and innovation. This year, we are excited to announce a completely virtual event that will span over the second weekend of March.
For 2021, we have created a unique program that will feature interactive workshops on software such as Tinkercad, exciting tutorials, and a competitive aspect. Use this incredible opportunity as a glimpse into the fascinating world of engineering.